welcome back to Zian's channel. So today we're playing Geometry Dash. Okay, so I have the full version now, not like the Geometry Dash Lite. These are my creations, not packets na. But at least I have these. Not yet this rope. Okay. Yeah. So today let's get some meat, some these codes. The all unknown rate codes. Okay. Some of them are like my favorite. Now let's get some. Okay. I'm copying it, okay guys. Okay, I'm copied. S H E R. That's the last one that I'm gonna do.
A secret.
What secret? Let's play Dash. Okay. Now, forgot about I have that. And the school. This is not my new account. This is just my old account, guys. This is a brand new account, I mean. Hey, yo! Like, now I have 4 user coins and 6 coins because of these games in search. If you want me to search your game and play it, then just put the ID of the level, I mean, or enter the name of the level. And anyways, let's check out. Back on track. This is very hard. Like, I haven't even named this in my old account. Like, it's only at 9. summer school. Play for a moment some of these games. Review my games, guys, so you will still remember me. And you need to screenshot my picture so you will remember me, because it's almost something. The Skibidi Toilet. Picture that. In 2026, Skibidi Toilet, Skibidi Toilet, Skibidi Toilet, Skibidi Toilet. And this guy is dead. And the other guy is dead. And this is the... You remember this, guys? Sinabi kong promise na dito. Yan. That was within... Oops. Can you be more quiet, guys? Our baby sugar gliders are so tiny that they can even hear a bit of noise. Okay, guys. Okay. And can you remind me of this picture? Hey. Okay. And this guy, and that's me. And picture this too. Okay. Picture me too, like this. Picture that me there. And picture Tita Catherine. And what happened to my eyes? And this is Gringo, the old dog. It's super old now. He's super old. Wait. Picture me, guys. If anyone see this and it's Alonzo, definitely, nakita ko yung lolo mo nung nagdaan kami magbili ng pandesal. Hindi Alonzo na yun, no? Yung Kilitis na taga Philippines. Ano yun? Ano yun? Celestine. So, baka makita nyo dito ikaw, Kilitis. Hahanap kita, Kilitis. Favorite kita. Ito nga sila, Marcos. Ay, ito ikaw, Kilitis Alonzo. Ito ikaw. Ang kulit mo. Bakit nang ganyan ka, Alonzo? Oh, ito akala ko si Dizon. Si Dizon. Si Kim. Ang pangit. Ito si Ito si Owen. Nakita ko sa McDo. Ito si Bida. Ito si Kenji. Ito si International. Ito yung Behave. Si Ethan. Not Nathan, guys. Not my old friend. Best friend. Not my old friend. Best friend. And this is David. This is Michael's. The thing. The smile, bro. Hey, yo, Marcus. Hey, yo! This is a Lego man. This is Mendes the Lego man. Ila. Not this guy. That's my bully. Not this brown guy. And not this guy. It's Rob. Bro. Dave! Hey, yo! Eli! And finally me. And you will see my pic. And you can also do this. It's my teacher. Oh, there's my teacher. There's my teacher. There's my teacher. There's my teacher. No teacher. Anyways, bye-bye, guys.